New York City and other areas in the northeast U.S. have shut down as Winter Storm Juno is expected to dump as much as 90 centimeters, 36 inches, of snow. All non-emergency vehicles were banned in New York City from 2300 hours on Monday, 4 o'clock GMT Tuesday, and subway services were suspended. An emergency has been declared in the states of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts and New Hampshire. Some 60 million people may be affected. In other developments, 6,500 flights in and out of airports along the East Coast cancelled. Businesses and schools closed early on Monday. Schools not expected to reopen before Wednesday at the earliest. Boston is expected to bear the brunt of the storm. Matter of life and death. The National Weather Service, NWS, earlier warned that a potentially historic blizzard was approaching the Northeast. Glenn Field of the NWS in Taunton, Massachusetts, told the BBC on Monday that the storm would be worse than previously thought. Hurricane-force winds of up to 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, would batter Cape Cod, Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard, he said. Mr. Field said the heaviest snowfall would come in the early hours of Tuesday, with 15 inches expected between 1 o'clock and 5 o'clock, 06:0010:00 GMT, and 30 inches in total in parts of Massachusetts. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo warned residents against violating the driving ban in 13 southern counties of the state. If you are in your car and you are on any road, town, village, city, it doesn't matter, after 11 o'clock, you will technically be committing a crime. It could be a matter of life and death, so caution is required, the governor said. Echoing his words, New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio urged residents to stay out of the way of the 2,300 snowplows clearing city streets. You can't underestimate this storm. What you are going to see in a few hours in something that is going to hit very hard and very fast. Similar bans for non-emergency vehicles were enacted in Connecticut and Massachusetts.